Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you are watching this video from. This is Ansi, right from the Pearl of Africa. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can add different profiles into your VPS in order to take advantage of the resources that are found in your VPS. To give you an idea of what I'm talking about, I want to open my VPS and show you the members that I have added into my VPS. So when I open my RDP, you can see that I have members that I have added into my VPS. I have about 6 running desktops, and these desktops all have people that I have actually added, and this is what I want to show you how to do. So what you need to do is you open your Chrome. I am opening Chrome. Now once Chrome is opening, what you need to do is, let me first zoom this in. What you need to do, you look out to this symbol of login profile here on the top right corner of my screen where there is my cursor. So I'm going to tap on it and I scroll down here. This is where it says add. So you tap on add and you are going to be greeted by this screen. There is sign in and there is continue without an account. So I would advise you to continue without an account. So when you click continue without an account, you are going to give this a name. So I am going to call this client 1, and then make sure you tick create a desktop shortcut. So I am going to press done, and a desktop shortcut is going to be created. So I am going to actually cancel this and cancel this. And when you look at this is client 1. Now I want to add another user. So I go to start, and I am going to go to Chrome. So the screen that I'm going to be greeted is going to be different. So this is the first user. I have mine here, Ansi, and then client 1. Now let's add another client. So I am going to press add and continue without an account, and I am going to say client, this is client 2. You press OK, make sure you create a desktop shortcut. I am going to close this and I want to open another one, Chrome, and I want to add another client. So let's tap on this and it's going to bring me to this screen. Let's add client 3. So continue without this is client 3, and I'm going to press OK, and it is going to open. So what I'm going to do, you see there are desktop shortcuts here, but if you don't want to use them, you can again go and open Chrome. Let me start with client 1. This is client 1 that I have created, and I am going to tell Chrome that it is client 1 that is using. Of course, I don't use Chrome as my default because of privacy issues. So here I am going to now install the script. That is the first thing that I normally do. So I'm going to go to here and say imicros for Chrome, and then I'm going to tap on it, and then I click on it. After clicking, I am going to add this extension to Chrome. Add extension to Chrome. It has been added. I am going to remove this, and when I look at my client 1, imicros has been added. So client 1, and if I go to these extensions, imicros is here, so I am going to pin it. After pinning, I am going to open it, and I love working when it is here in the middle of the screen. So what I'm going to do, I am going to now log in into my client 1 details. So what I'm going to do, I am going to first press record and then record macros. After doing that, I'm going to stop record macros, and I'm going to highlight all this and I press delete. After I've done that, I am going to open my script and I'm going to right click and copy the script instructions, and I'm going to Ctrl V to paste it there. So I am going to save this as client 1. This is client 1, and I'm going to press OK. So after doing that, I am going to select client 1 and I tap on play. I should make sure that this is at a ratio of 1 to 100, and then I press play loop. Why am I doing this? I want this extension to take me to the COTP website so that I can log in. So after pressing that, I'm going to stop and I allow this to open. So what I'm going to do, I am now going to add in the details of my client 1. I normally begin with the country code. So this client is from India, so I'll choose 91, and then I'll enter his telephone number. After entering his telephone number, I should be good to go, and I'll go ahead and enter the password of this client. So this is the password of the client that I am actually entering. Okay, I have entered the password. It is now logging me in, so I should save this and expand this. So when you look at this, this is my client 1, and I should now go and start the script. So now here I have the script of my client 1. I am now going to just press play loop. So I'm playing loop and the script is running, and it is going to start automating these trades after 10 seconds. So let me give it a watch of 30 seconds. It's now beginning to place trades. So trade number 1, it is going to sell and confirm and then look for another order. As this is running, I want to add another client. So I have client 1, I have added. Let me go for client 2. But in order not to confuse you, I am going to open again Chrome like this, and I am going to be greeted by this screen. I now select client 2. I open client 2, and in each profile you're supposed to install iMicros afresh. So let me do this iMicros for Chrome, and I'll be greeted with these results. I tap on this, and then I should be able to add this quickly. It has been added. So what you need to do after adding, you need to go to your extensions here and then you pin it. So after pinning it, you need to open iMicros. It is going to bring this pop-up. So what we need to do is to drag it in the middle here, and then we record. After pressing record, you should stop it immediately. When this screen pops up, you should highlight all these recorded lines, and then you go to your iMicros, you right click this, and then you copy, and then you paste. Then you save this as client 2. You press OK. Let me minimize this, and then you go to play. You put a ratio of 100 here, and then make sure it is selected, and then press play loop because you want this to open the iMicros website. Then you stop this, minimize this for now, and then I want to enter the information of my second client. Assuming this is from Uganda, I am going to add 256, and then I confirm. Then I should enter the number of this client. I should do it real quick, these clients, and then I enter the password. I'm done with the password. I should be able to log into this account. So I save it so that next time, in case I need to do anything, I should be able to have that code. So this client, we should be able to also run our script. So if your script is now ready, you just pull it out by clicking this, and then you play loop. And when you play loop, the script is going to run, and that is how you add clients into your VPS. I hope you have learned something or two. Thank you very much for watching this video. I remain Ansi from the Pearl of Africa.